This is David Kim, a specialist of GRP panel tank. It's been a long time to meet you again. Since April, there are a lot of works, and even there is a big issues, COVID-19, to everywhere in the world. So I hope everybody is fine, and all the families and friends and work and students and schools and everything's come back to normal again. But let's get started. Today, this time is second time for checkpoint for the best GRP water tank. We had reviewed for the SMC sheet material, raw material. It's the first time. Because of this is the main material for making GRP panel tank, and all the qualities are, this is a related essential stage to decide the quality of the tank and panel strength. So I hope you remember or you enjoyed to see that information. And today we are going to have a panel forming. So this is the main point. There are conditions for panel manufacturing, and I put there are some conditions, points, important points we have to check. So pressure of the press and temperature of mold and pressing time, and charging pattern for raw material. So you may remember that I already introduced for the panel manufacturing with my video number 12. If you can check, please check my video first and come back again. Upper mold temperature should be from 140 to 145, and the down mold temperature can be 130 to 135, 10 degrees different. This is the reason why this is different is after forming, this is easy maintenance, easy operating for taking panel out. And third one is pressing time. Pressing time is also very, very important. If the pressing time is more and less, even the quality is not guaranteed. So there are some informations, some order sheet. There's an order sheet. This is for wall panel, 1 by 1, 1 meter by 1 meter. And these are the grade from D grade to triple A, 3A, for 5 meters height. D is from 1 to 2 meter, and SA is 4 meter, and B is 3 meters, and 2A is for 5 meters. And there are materials and pressing time, as I told you, there are some different pressing time we have to follow. From D, 300 seconds. For 3A is much longer than D, which is 450 seconds. It's more than 7 minutes. So it depends on the panel grade. We have to secure the pressing time. And last one is charging pattern. You may heard that this is also important. There are some places, because of the panel shapes are different, from wall, bottom, roof, even partition, from 1 meter to 5 meters, and 1 by 1 by half panels, and quarter panels also. So there are some certain point which should be more, the water pressures are coming up. So in that point, we made some patterns, charging patterns with raw material. So as you see, this is regarding charging pattern of the SMC sheet. This blue one is fiber mat. On the fiber mat, we just cut SMC sheet with 900 or 930 by 930, something like that. This is for example, this is 1 by 1 panel making, and there are some issues we have to take care, and we have to avoid some points, well drying, or some air pocket, or some corner crack. So that's why we put some more additional SMC sheet at the corner like that, and to reinforce center, and we put some cross shape, we put SMC sheet like cross shape, and we add some more the pink like that, and also put more SMC sheet like that. If we don't consider this, or we are not very much trained with these things like that, the quality of the panel, even the strength of the panel, will be different, as we know. So the labor should study or aware of this all the informations, and follow this work order. This is a photo. After forming, we found there are some defect of the forming, panel forming. So whatever it makes some mistake, so this is the result. So maybe there's some corner side, so the raw material is not enough, or pressing time is not proper. maybe it came like this. There's another case, something this, or this. So that's why the quality control is very important. Even after forming, the labor or QC manager should see each and every panel conditions and quality checking. Otherwise, it will be big problem at job site. Something like this. How did you like the video today? Today was the checkpoint, the second checkpoint for the best GRP water tank. If you like my video, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and put like also. And any inquiries, please send me email or messages. Thank you. Have a nice day.